Wanted me, I wish I knew.
Welcome to Term 2 of Spring 2023. I am your instructor, Skylar Huff, and this is Principles of Biology 2, a Term 2 course. I'm saying this to emphasize this class is fast. In the meantime, welcome to the course. I hope that you all enjoy the class. The biggest thing I'll say is please begin working on course assignments now. One of the biggest things that could very well change your grade will be procrastination. In the meantime, I'll get to what's more important. The first thing you all should do is work through that course syllabus, and upon finishing review of the course syllabus, what you should do is click on modules. Upon clicking on modules, then scroll right on down. You'll see there listed for you how to use this course. If you have never used Canvas, I recommend you click on that. Next up is the Unlock Overview. So here at the Unlock Overview, it just provides an overview of how Unlock will be used in this course for taking tests. And then lastly, let's get to that course syllabus quiz. So this will be that kind of a practice run with Unlock, yet also verifying your attendance. And this is due on Friday morning. Secondly, I'll go directly to course materials. This is the course textbook. However, likely you have opted in. If you decided to opt out, you likely will purchase books some way else. Otherwise, use your course textbook. So outlined in each module, you'll see there listed for you how to use the textbook by way of Cengage. The second, as important, is going to be labs. So this being a 4-hour credit course, labs are required. So in this box are the required labs. And let's just put it this way. If you have yet to order your lab kit, please do so now. The lab kit is a required component of the course because labs are required. So the labs you all will do will be used using the lab kit. The first lab will not require the lab kit, and then there is one more lab that will be virtual that will not require the lab kit. So if you have not ordered it yet, please do so soon. This has been just that brief introduction to the course. We will begin with what is called Chapter 30 for our first chapter of study, and then immediately thereafter we'll go into Chapter 39. So your first test will be on both of those chapters, being Chapter 30 and 39. That introduction to animals, and then basic animal structure by way of animal tissues, and then ending things with homeostasis. So there are recorded lectures. They have been pre-recorded. Use those. Study well. Take notes. And if you ever need me, reach out anytime. I am your instructor, Scholar Huff, and here is to a great semester. Thank you.